I'm Piyush Sharma, year 15CS276, and today I'm going to show you how to configure IPv6 routing. So basically, I'll tell you what are the commands to be used for configuration of an IPv6, and I'll show you the simple topology as you can see here. Okay, so here we have three routers with the three switches, and we have three end devices. Okay, before we used to use IPv4 addressing. Now here we are going to use IPv6, which is a 128-bit address, and it is used for representing 16-bit 4 hexadecimal digit. Okay, it follows some rules. The first rule is if there are any zeros, then we can omit the zeros, and if the whole 4-bit data is full of zeros, then we can skip that part. Yeah, instead of that 4 bits, we can put a colon. That's all. Okay, so mainly there are three types of addressing. The first one is unicast, multicast, and anycast. Unicast has 6 types. Let me go through this once. It is global, link local, loopback, unspecified address, unique local, embedded, IPv4. Okay, if you want to know about these unicast addressing modes in detail, you can search it on Google or something, or net. You can surf on it. Then okay, let me start by explaining the topology to you. So first you have to give the IP addresses to the end devices, and we have a particular network address for all the. Here we have 2 WANs and 3 LANs. 2 WANs and 3 LANs. So okay, as you can see here, instead of giving IP configuration, we have given IPv6 configuration, which is static. So here we have to give the IP address you want to give it. It can be numbers, including alphabets, in capital as well as in small. Okay, so this is the link local address, and it is the gateway address. Here we are giving 64 because it belongs to class C, or it is a 64-bit address. Now similarly, we are giving the IP addresses to all the devices here. Okay, and here. After giving the end devices, the IP addresses to the end devices, we have to configure the routers. So as you can see here, there is a small clock timer here. For the routers which are having a small clock timer, you have to give the clock rate for that, which is 64,000. So I'll tell you what basically it is. Router, first enable it, then configuration T. Now here you can give the address to this port, which is SE 0/0/0. We'll provide an address, a particular address from the network to this port. Say and we'll give no shutdown. Okay, you guys know, right, how to give this. Then after giving this, similarly we'll put the we'll give some IP address for this port also, and for these 2 ports also, and we'll give no shutdown, switch it on. Now we have formed a complete connection here. But the main part about the routing part is in the end we have to give IPv6 routing. We should give IPv6 route destination, the destination which we want to give, or we want to go /64, and the next hop IP address. And in the whole CLI coding, we have to mention IPv6 unicast routing somewhere. Unicast in all the routers. So these are the basics of IPv6 routing. Now let me show you whether it is working or not by pinging. Okay, so let me see what is the IP address of this. Let me copy this, and I'll try to ping this end device from this LAN to this LAN. Okay, sorry. Ping. Okay. as people can see here, it's pinging, right? So packets are being sent and received with the no losing of packets, 0% loss. Minimum time is 1 millisecond, maximum is 11 millisecond, average is 3 millisecond, and the time delay for the packet size is 126. Okay, so similarly we can ping this end device from this end device. So let me show it to you. We'll ping it again, ping, paste. Okay, we're receiving the replies, we're receiving the data which is being sent, that it is sent successfully. So this is how an IPv6 routing works. Okay, let me show you one more thing about the table. I'll show you the routing table. Okay, so for all the routers I showed you, sorry, it is IPv6 routing table. I was wrong in that. So as you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5, we have 6 connections, and the last one is null. So basically we have 5 connections here. It's 1 2 3, it's 1 2 3 4 and 5. And for this one also you can see IPv6 routing table. All the data record is given to you here, and this is the next hop IP address. And we look at the routing table for this one again. Yeah, so look at this. So that's all about IPv6 routing configuration. Thank you.